Good night. My name is Andres Penagos. My group number is 9000211. My age. I am 24 years old. Currently, I'm studying multimedia engineer, and also I'm working with my own project that is virtual business market that I designed. So I'm working in that project. Okay, I'm going to describe my travel experience. Um, when I do my first travel in airplane, um, when my father invites me to Cartagena, Colombia, and that's the place that I where I go. Um, First, um, what were you doing here? Okay. First, um, the most important experience for me was travel in airplane because I, since I was a child, I never do something like that, and I always ask me how it will how it will feel um, when I leave it. It feels so incredible, and that was the part that I enjoy more, the first part, when I travel in the airplane. After we arrived to was a business travel because the the police, because my father is a policeman, and give to my father that travel, so that ship. So we have a designated hotel and some activities, but I'm not a people like that. I'm so different. I don't like the popular music and something like that. So I prefer the beach and the sea because also I don't never meet the sea. So finally I also could and meet the sea and was fantastic too, but also it was sad too because the people is so much inconscient, and they contaminate a lot the beach, and when you swim some, and especially in holy times, you can find a plastic or something like that. I see some horrible things that is sad, but that is what the human is. We can't change it. And finally, I was happy return because um, the weather was so heavy and the hotel doesn't have a lot of activities for children like me, so I was so bored. How often did you do things? Mm, I sometimes go to the beach because it was full of garbage and it was bored. Um, I always go to computer and talk with my friends because I miss them so much in that time. I was a child. Currently, I if I travel again right now, I will not miss them like before. And I never camp or something like that are activities we that I like more than on a hotel. I prefer the nature and other environments more like a camping or so and things like that. How was the weather like? It was so hot. the the weather is so hot and eh, also the night is you feel hot. So it was horrible because I prefer cold. And, that was the worst part. Thank you for watching me and the attention.